adding folder to favorites. Now, in an instance whereby you have you want to add directories or favorites, anything, so that you can easily just control it within the favorite. This is your favorites, there's nothing there, so you want to add a folder or add a set of data to this favorite to allow you work effectively. So that's what this video is all about. So now, to get started, there are two ways to which you can do that. First, you right click on the favorites and you see add directory. So on the directory, you go to where you have a folder located. So like I used my work. So assuming is either this my work or a folder inside my work, like Abuja, I'll click on it and click select folder. This will be added. So if I want to access the Abuja folder, I will just come to the favorite and then I'll click, then you see what is in it. Now, the second way of adding is to explore through the pan, and when you've seen what you're looking for, you just right click on it and you see add as a favorite. So once you do that, it also will be added. So I believe you've learned something. Try to practice this on your own. Thank you for watching.